Hey guys, welcome back to Code of Danger. So today we'll be doing a CD unboxing of Hudson Westbrook's new album, Texas Forever. So if you didn't know, Hudson Westbrook is an up-and-coming country singer from Texas, and his music is really good. I've become like a new fan of him, and I pre-ordered this signed CD from his shop, and that's what I'll be unboxing today. So yeah, let's get into it. And it already starts opening up because there's like a lot of packaging, shipping information on the outside. Ooh. Inside we just have the CD, and I'm guessing the signed insert is going to be inside because it's not in the outside like some of the vinyls I've had. Oh, this back track list looks pretty cool. And there's no images of like the track list before, so first time seeing that. It looks pretty cool. There's a good amount of songs on the album too. And a lot of the songs I like are on this album too, like House Again, Sober, Weatherman. A lot of his like viral hits. And I haven't listened to the album yet, so the album came out on Friday like most albums, but this didn't come until Sunday, and then I'm unboxing it Monday, which is today. If you guys want to see it. Okay. And then front cover. It's so hard to film the CDs because they're so reflective. Oh wow, there's a signed insert. That looks pretty cool. Nice. And here is the CD disc. Looks pretty cool. I think there is a lyric booklet inside. Okay, now we're gonna see what's behind the CD disc. Oh, that's a nice picture. So it's him like for the photo shoot maybe of the album. Oh yeah, I wouldn't turn the light off so you like that's not in the way. Okay, now to look at the lyric booklet. It's nice to signed inserts just like in there. First page is stuck. Okay, now here's the lyric booklet. Oh, I think this is one of the poster ones. Nice. What is this? You can read it if you like. Are there lyrics in here? There might not be lyrics. I think this is some credits for the songs. I think it's gonna be like a poster. Oh yeah, it is. Oh, that's cool. And then the other side is credits, front cover of the booklet, back cover, and then a message from him. That's pretty cool. And then I don't know, like on one of the emails I got from him and his shop, it said like the CDs, like some of them will have like special like demos on them or something. So I don't know if this one does or not. He was like, especially the signed CDs. So I'll have to listen at the end. I don't know if that's on the track list. I don't think it would be, because it wasn't on the track list online. I'll have to listen and see if that's part of it or not. Okay, now it's time to play the CD. We got the CD in now. Well, I bought that drugstore out of Red Rose. There's 17 tracks, so that means there isn't like bonus demos. Okay, yeah, so there's 17 tracks. I don't know, it was talking about some like bonus demo thing online. So I don't really know, but that's okay. Obviously it didn't advertise that, so I'm not like sad that's not on there. I was just confused by what it meant. And a bottle of the best wine I could do. This is Darlin. Track 1.
Told her she's beautiful, so she knows it was a good part. We had the living room lights down low.
So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell, and comment down below what type of videos you want to see next. Peace out, my dudes. Love ya. Bye.